When the people of Meghalaya, India, saw that their bridge was a goner, they decided to make a spectacle out of its destruction. It rained non-stop for 3 days, and in the end, nature won.
This is our house. Please save us before we float away.
The only thing worse than a flood is a flood in winter. The water not only filled the houses, but also covered everything with ice. That's exactly what happened in Boston in 2018. Some locals found their cars turned into ice sculptures.
This guy's gonna get stuck. What are you doing?
This terrifying nighttime flood happened in Scotland. Sometimes it's best to admire the sea from a safe distance. It's probably better if customers don't know their cars were shipped by sea.
Incredibil. Deci este absolut incredibil. Este un nor imens.
These windows were shattered by a massive hailstorm that hit Denver in 2017. In this crazy video, nature decided to mess with some tourists. While they were climbing the Kizilmen volcano in Russia, a powerful rockfall started.
Аккуратней. Еще один идет. Еще идет, аккуратней.
Check out this insane footage from the 2011 eruption of Shimodake volcano. It was filmed 9 kilometers away from the crater, but even from that distance, the ash cloud was enormous. It was so bad that it forced railway lines to close and several flights to be canceled. Hurricane Dolores hit Uruguay in 2016. It remains the most destructive hurricane to ever hit the country.
It's still there, and yeah.
On average, Wyoming sees about 12 storms each year, and the tornado season peaks in June.
Towards this thing, but yeah, anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen.
Yeah, Mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child. Get your ass back."
Oh, you have another
No.
The last tornado I saw was on your farm.
I know, this is awesome.
Dad.
I know, I've got the camera on it.
Oh my god, it's a fucking photo right in front of us. I know.
If it starts getting too close, though, we need to back off.
Yeah, we'll
These images were filmed in Brisbane, Australia in 2014. It almost looked like nature wanted to wipe this city off the face of the earth. If you underestimate how thick the ice is, you might end up having to pull your car out like this.
Красавцы. Мужики!